Come and join us today at Legoland Florida's Brick or Treat event. We are going to show you everything that we missed from the last trip. That will include a couple of the different shows, characters, and of course treats.
Today we're at Legoland for Brick or Treat!
We're going to go surprise the characters. We got Scarecrow, Zombie Cheerleader, Spider Lady, and Monster Rocker. Let's go. You ready? All right. We're going to hit this on the way out because we missed that last time. But we're going to go here and get some candy, surprise Monster Rocker. Every 15, okay.
From dusk till close.
There's another trick or treat that should open up soon. And then I believe they play monster music for the carousel, just like a little layover. So we did this last time. We'll stop by and say hi. But this is where they like dance and freeze, and they have little games, little dance games. It was cute. I'll put the link from last trip below in the description.
We have Zombie Cheerleader and Spider Lady. And Scarecrow, and guess who?
Guess who? Guess who?
Guess who?
Yes, the coolest one here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That is so cool. Thank you guys. Monster Mash.
Yeah.
Of course, with a group of monsters, we gotta do the Monster Mash. All right, are you guys ready?
Ready? Monster Mash.
I know what a monster's favorite type of food is.
What?
Monster mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
It was great. Yeah, that's second.
Brave.
That's the zombie cheerleader.
Yeah.
Zombie cheerleader probably.
Yeah.
That's
That's true.
You gotta hold the zombie cheerleader.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you or anyone in your family love to dance, it's a perfect dance party with different games. And then at the very end, you can actually say hi and get a quick picture. In the last vlog, I showed the Scarecrow super build activity you can do, and then I also showed that we surprised Scarecrow with our matching outfits. We have a surprise! Ready? Yay!
Oh my god, zombie cheerleader being double!
I know!
Loves it! Oh my god, do you want to get a picture with her? Oh my
And then he wanted to be Spider Lady.
We love that!
So.
Oh my gosh, Spider Lady and zombie cheerleader! Best topic we've seen.
Thank you.
Give me a C! Give me a E! What is that spell?
Zombie! Alright, thank you so much. We're so glad to see you. Thank you. Alright, bye, Zombie.
It was blowing your mind.
Yeah, blew her mind. So this is back open. This area had the most flooding we had heard, but it looks like everything is in great shape. We're gonna come back for the costume parade that we did actually miss. So that'll be at 4 p.m.
Lady, we have a surprise for you.
Ready?
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, he picked out your outfit, so he wanted to be just like you.
I guess you're her biggest fan. We have another zombie cheerleader.
Yeah. Oh, you look cool. Thank you, Spider Lady. I have to say the reactions of all the characters was well worth painting all of our shirts. We're gonna go get some ice cream over here. They have 2 special ones. Let's go. We're trying one each, one of the pumpkin spice and everything nice, and the Monster Scientist ice cream cone. Let's see if I can do this. All right, we got the Monster ice cream. It's a grape. Oh, it's yours. And then the pumpkin spice. Walking from the counter just to the table, it just starts melting and falling off. So it's really hard to eat. You have to be really fast. And both are very subtle flavors. If I had to pick one, I would choose that pumpkin shake that's over in Heart Lake City that we tried last time. It was so good. The grape better than the pumpkin. Okay, so which one do you like better, the grape or the pumpkin? You like the pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
You like the pumpkin? Okay. Maybe the pumpkin's the winner. While you're over by Kingdom Cones, of course you have to do the jousting. That's one of the kids' favorites. Frick pointed out that the trees are wrapped up like mummies. This is until 5:30. And you can build the little bricks to help build that big cobra at the bottom, at the back. Okay, this is the Lego City area. We're gonna see the show over here. We did miss that last time, and then there's trick-or-treating we're gonna catch after. And I think the witch and the piranha plant meet out here too.
Where an exotic plant has suddenly grown out of control. This is Lego City News Channel 96. Which means it's interview time. Hey, what's What's your name? Check. And have you ever seen anything like this before?
No.
Oh, well, you're quite lucky then. And what about you? What's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. And do you think this wild plant will take over all of Lego City?
Yes.
Oh, no. I sure hope not.
Is that funny?
It's quite unbelievable Halloween night. I have a hunch this plant might bite. It's quite unbelievable.
I'm hungry!
You almost drank the entire potion. Open up. See, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
What's gonna happen?
Why are you screaming? Come back!
How did this happen? Why would I know?
I'm not chasing you! This plant is eating me!
It's the minifigure.
Okay, I really don't think that it's possible for a plant to eat anything.
Really? I'm normally just a regular little
My minifigure!
Oh, there you are!
Now everyone up here rub your hands together to make heat. Does anyone else learn that in science class too?
Problem, what's wrong? It's too hot now! We started a fire! Come on, hurry! I don't think I can drink. Oh, come on, you can do it!
This texture is quite impressive.
Something's happening!
Quick, close the doors.
Oh.
It worked.
And we're gonna go trick or treating.
Oh, zombie cheerleader, hello.
Over by Lego City, we got 4 Sour Patch Kids. Are those your favorite, Pumpkin? Yeah, she loves those.
Oh, Plant Monster guy. It's the
Yeah,
zombie cheerleader. Did
and-
you meet the zombie cheerleader?
Yes, we did.
Oh my god.
And he's a Spider Lady.
And you're Spider Lady.
Yeah,
Have you met Spider Lady?
we did.
Oh my gosh. Where's Plant Monster? Come on, guys.
I know. I know.
Scarecrow.
Next
Oh,
time.
and your Monster Rocker.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Spider-Man.
yeah, I
I thought it
know.
was that at first, but they need one of you next though.
Yeah, we will. I think next year we'll come back and I'll
for sure.
paint another shirt just for you. You better be here next year though.
He will be here.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you, Plant Monster.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. You guys have to go back to your set time. Take it back.
Trick-or-treating starts at different times. Some locations are at 1 o'clock, some are at 2:30 until 7 p.m. And right next to Beetle Bounce was the spot with the M&Ms and peanut M&Ms. Any age can trick-or-treat and there's no limit to get in line. Now we did head back to MiniLand to do the costume parade at 4.
Can you come here? Come here. Oh, yes, right this way. Wait, I found a good one. All right, now can you tell us how a monster like you says hello? Hello. All right, can we all say it with her? Hello. Hello. Amazing. Fabulous. Oh, so scary. It reminds me of my mother-in-law. I'll lead the parade from right over this way. And we're going to parade around MiniLand, but be sure you pay attention because I'll be shouting out some monster commands for you all to follow along the way. And grown-up monsters, feel free to parade with your younger monsters as well. What? Here we go, monsters!
Also, this did get delayed to spring, I believe, because of the hurricane. Probably the water levels got too high. So as soon as we hear an official date, I will keep you guys updated. And we will be back for the holidays, of course. We love all the events here.
There at the very end. Hi. There they are.
So we got the more Laffy Taffy, some big handfuls, and then we're gonna go get possibly Tootsie Rolls. I'm not sure.
Looks like Mott's.
The Mott's fruit snacks, so it's different this time.
Good for you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
For you.
Thank you.
Look at all that.
Oh, it's a mix. I will say that Legoland had a great variety of candy, even better than SeaWorld actually. And this guy was kind enough to give us a bunch of Tootsie Rolls. I did show the Halloween layover of the Dragon Coaster last time, and the wait times weren't bad at all for the third weekend of Brick or Treat.
Hey, Wolf Guy, do you want to show them?
All right, everybody, grow your werewolf claws. Now we're gonna sneak around like Wolf Guy. Now, scratch, scratch, scratch. Wow, these recruits are the best we've had.
Now the ghost move. Now the Frankenstein and the werewolf. Great job.
Vampire, best. Werewolf, Frankenstein, best. Vampire, best.
And go! This way, keep on scaring and enjoy the rest of your day. Our guys is out there.
Thank you. Hi. I know.
Get right in the bathroom.
Yeah, so I'm Scarecrow.
Love the werewolf.
I
It's
do
awesome.
too.
You're awesome.
Oh, you look great, Wolf Guy. You do. Yeah, next time, I promise.
Next time, we promise.
Oh, that's pretty spooky.
Awesome.
Hold up, we got Spider Lady,
Yeah.
Mommy Cheerleader,
Yeah, Scarecrow.
and Mommy.
Yeah, no, we did Mommy last visit, actually. So we did. We had to switch it up this time. Yeah, we met him earlier too, so. Surprising the Mummy last time was actually pretty awesome. Now we did get so much more candy than last time since we did a lot more stops. We did about 2 of each of them except the Pirates one, and the bags were almost all full. So they were out of the mints, and the funnel cakes are way smaller than they used to be. I mean, it's a good portion, but they used to be like double the size. So we got the apple pie one too.
Anyways, let's dig in.
So I think cookies and cream is the best, but I think I would add the ice cream if you got the apple pie. I thought it did come with it, but for $12, I mean, they are smaller, way smaller than they used to be. All right, which one do you like the best?
Both.
Both? All right, Chef Rick, which one do you think is better?
The apple.
You like the apple the best? And the last ride we actually managed to do, even with all the events, activities, and shows, was the Great Lego Race. We do have a video on all the rides at Legoland, and we have one ranking them from least intense to most intense. This one's up there because of that big drop. And we did this one last because it's right next to where the fireworks are at Pirates Cove. So over here in Pirates Cove, this is where you can get to see the fireworks with the special glasses that look like Lego bricks. And I'm guessing this is where you meet the zombie pirate too. Everyone gets a pair of glasses that you can even take home. They're like paper ones, and they turn the fireworks into Legos.
I liked it.
Okay.
Cool, though. I like the effect. Kind of went off and on. Checked it out. It was still pretty cool.
Cool.
Very cool. And it's Chef Rick's first time seeing it. You liked it, Daddy?
It was fun. I liked it.
Yeah.
I like the effect with the glasses.
It's a good show. You definitely have to see it. Yeah, we saw a bunch of Legos. You have to see it if you haven't before.
Great dancing, monsters.
Time to hit the road again. Thank you to Maddie and the chef for help supporting our channel.
I will link our Patreon down below if anyone else would like to help.
Yeah, like and subscribe for more videos. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe.